Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to make money with ChatGPT, an AI language model that can help you generate passive income. If you're looking for a side hustle or a way to make extra cash, then you're in the right place. So, let's dive in. Section 1. What is ChatGPT? If you're new to ChatGPT, let me give you a quick rundown. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like responses to natural language queries. In simpler terms, it's an AI assistant that can help you with a variety of tasks. Section 2. How to make money with ChatGPT. Now, let's talk about how you can make money with ChatGPT. Here are some ways you can do it. Affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can help you find the right products to promote to your audience. By becoming an affiliate marketer, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Advertising. If you have a website or a blog with a large following, you can use ChatGPT to help you place targeted ads on your website. This will help you generate passive income from ad revenue. Selling digital products. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or webinars. You can use ChatGPT to help you promote these products to your audience. Investing. You can use ChatGPT to help you make investment decisions by analyzing market trends and predicting future outcomes. This can help you generate passive income from your investments. Renting assets. If you have assets like property or equipment, you can use ChatGPT to help you find renters. This can help you generate passive income from rent payments. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for generating passive income. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, content creator, investor, or entrepreneur, ChatGPT can help you take your business to the next level. So, start exploring the possibilities and see how ChatGPT can help you make money today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.